Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on localhost. I'm in Xampp local server. Let's start. First of all, we need to start Xampp control panel. This one. Start Apache and MySQL. That's it. And then we need to go localhost. Just try it's working or not. Try localhost. Yes, it's working well. Then we need to create folder on localhost directory, C drive, Xampp, and htdocs. We need to create new folder like test and click text folder. Test folder, here need to add WordPress. First we need to download WordPress.org. Click get WordPress, download WordPress 4.5 and click OK. I already downloaded. Download. This one. Paste, copy and paste here. Right click and extract here. And then delete this file. Click WordPress. We need to move all folder. Select all folder. Right click and cart. Back and paste here. Now need to delete this folder. No need this one. And type localhost slash this folder name test. Wow. Configuration page, we need to select language. Anyone. I am select English. Continue. And we need to create database. Need database name, database username, database password, and database host. That's why we need to go localhost, hit enter and click phpMyAdmin menu. Click database. Here need to put database name test 007, right? And then click create. The database created successfully, and need to create user, and we need to save those access. Database name test 007. Database username, database user password, access, I already created database test007. Now create user, database user. That's why need to click privilege tab and click add new user. Here username, need to put username test, hostname localhost, password generate password, click generate password and copy this password, username test and password, username test and password, paste and save. Then click grant all privilege on database test007. Just now I created test007 database. We need to connect into this database this user. That's why I click grant all privilege on database test007 and check all and then click go. You have added a new user, already added user on this database. Then click here, let's go. Database name I already saved, just now created test, this one, paste and username test and password, this password, localhost same as, and you want to change the table prefix or add just like this, anything e, and just for secure, then click submit. Run the installation. Needs site title, I put test site, username test007 and copy this password and need to save those username and password under WordPress axis. Username test007 and password, this one, and save, Ctrl S. And your email, just need to put email. Search engine visibility, you can, if you want your site don't index Google, then click checkbox, and if you want Google index your site, then uncheck and click install WordPress. Success, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Username and password already saved. Just click login. Need to put username test007, copy, paste, password, this one, paste and click login. Wow, WordPress installed already. This is dashboard, WordPress dashboard. Post menu for add new post, category and tag, and show see all post. Media, here all images and video or audio saved under media. Page menu for create new page. Comment section, comment menu for comment. Appearance, theme menu, install it for install theme or change theme, customize menu for customize theme, and widget for theme, footer for footer, widget section, and menu for create a header menu and footer menu and any menu, background menu for scenes page background, theme editor menu for edit theme file, plugins. We can install and add or delete plugin under this menu. User, we can create new user or delete user. Tools, import export file, available tools, import file and export files, check site health, export personal data, edit personal data. Settings, general, writing, reading, discussion, media, firewalling, privacy. These are for WordPress dashboard. So that's all for WordPress installation on Xampp, I mean localhost. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for daily update. Thank you.